y'all, what's up? We are in the Sheraton Vistana Resort Villages. Now this is the one on iDrive, so if you're looking for the other one, this is not the video for you. We on iDrive. So I'm gonna do a room tour really quickly. Hey, welcome to the channel. So we are in room 3307. Okay, I don't know what happened, but you come in, you got the washer and dryer right here, and then you walk into the kitchen. We got a dishwasher. It looks like they just sanitized, or not.
Cool.
You got the sink. You got the microwave. Ooh. Stove, which I will be cooking breakfast up in here. You got all this over here.
Ooh, teacups. Look at that, we having a party.
Fully stocked kitchen. Blender. Here is the fridge. Do I got an ice maker? Yep, ice maker. I'm just trying to give y'all a thorough tour. So you got the pots and pans in there. Utensils. All of that over there. And then next, this is the living room area. This is so cool. This is beautiful. This is the living room area over here.
Hi guys. Oh guys, let me show you something. What's in here?
Hold on, baby. This room is nice and freshly clean, you guys. You got the bathroom over here. Look at that, y'all. This is so nice. Shower. Then you got
Bath up here.
sink, towels, toilet area. Y'all, look at this tub.
Both of us came in here.
This is so nice. Then you got another sink area over here with the light. Look at this tub though, y'all. This tub is nice. Then you got the mirror, selfies. You got more towels over there.
Guys, this is our bedroom.
This is the bedroom right here. You got another TV. You got the bed here. And then I didn't even look at the balcony. I hopped right on her to show y'all what was up. Oh wow. Oh wait, no, I lied to y'all. It is not no balcony right here. The balcony you access through the living room. You got a closet.
Look at what's in here, you guys.
Another closet.
Look at
They might have the door locked. Let me see. Yeah. And then this is our balcony. I'm gonna give y'all a full shot. Got the ceiling fan. And the thing I really enjoy about the Vistana resorts is that these are screened in. Perfect for if you got kids, small kids, because we know they like to get into a little something something. And it's screened in to keep out the bugs and all that. So this is a nice size balcony for us. All right, you guys, that is pretty much it for our room tour. I do have a room tour on the other Sheraton resort. If you're interested in seeing that, I'll post it. I got a 1-bedroom tour with no balcony. I got another bedroom tour with a balcony, and then I got a 2-bedroom tour with a balcony. Y'all, that 2-bedroom was lit. So thank you guys so much for watching. We about to get settled in. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.